All right, folks, today we're going to be reviewing the newest suit from xSuit. This is the xSuit 4.0, which was just launched a week ago, and I'm one of the first people to get my hands on the suit. Today we're going to be reviewing this, the xSuit 4.0, and then in a couple of weeks I'm going to put out another suit video comparing the xSuit 2, 3, and 4, how they compare and how they differ, so make sure you subscribe, that way you don't miss out on that. I'm Bill Sweet and welcome to the DadBod. Again, here it is, the xSuit 4.0, just launched a week ago, and I got my hands on it first to show you all. How did I get my hands on it so quickly, you ask? Well, I'm the DadBod. I'm like royalty. No, I'm just kidding. I bought the xSuit 2.0 to do a review of it. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link right above me. There was an issue with the fabric on the shoulder, so I sent it back for a replacement. But by the time I sent it back, the 2.0 had been discontinued, so that way they can release the 4.0. They didn't have any replacement jackets to send me, so they told me they would replace it with a full 4.0 suit, and they would make sure that I was one of the first to get it. If that doesn't tell you about the quality of their customer service, I don't know what will. But you know me, I'm always trying to find ways to thank you guys for watching the DadBod videos. So what I did was I got a link in the video description of this video to give you 15% off your first purchase of a suit from xSuit. So go ahead, use that link, get yourself that 15% off. All right, so this suit comes in 3 color options. It comes in black, dark blue, and dark gray. I went with the dark blue, and I gotta say, I do love this color. The jacket comes in sizes 34 through 50, even numbers only, and you can get short, regular, or long sleeve length. I normally wear a 50 to a 52 long. For this, I got the 50 regular because there's a little bit of a delay on getting the 50 long, and I wanted to get this video out for you guys. As you can see, at 6'3", the sleeves fit perfectly on my right side. However, my left arm is slightly longer than my right, so for me, I am going to have to send this back in exchange for a 52 long, but I will keep it long enough so that way I can do this video and the next one for you all, because this is a really nice suit. From where the sleeve meets the shoulder to the end of the sleeve is about 25.5 inches. If you need longer than that, go for the long. If you need shorter than that, of course, go for the short. The xSuit's versions 2 and 3 are made with more of a slim fit, which is why they went up to a size 52. This one has more of a traditional fit, and it only goes to a size 50. Similar to the xSuit and the xSuit 3, I would still recommend going up a size from what you would normally wear. Their largest is a little bit slim on me. I'd really need to probably lose about 10 to 15 pounds for this suit to fit me properly. It's not an issue with the suit, that's an issue with my belly. And if you're larger than I am, the suit's probably not gonna be the suit for you. The suit is super stretchy, so if you're about my size, you can get away with it being a little snug, but any bigger than me and it's gonna be too small on you, even with their largest size. Now, something new that they're doing with this one, and I love it, is giving you the option for the pants length. You can pick the pants waist from sizes 28 through 44, and the length you can choose from size 30, 32, or 34. And again, even sizes only. That's probably going to save most of you around 15 to 20 bucks since you no longer have to take the trousers to get them hemmed. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about some of the visible features, and then I'll go on to talk about some of the more hidden features that makes this suit as cool as it is. The suit has a light shoulder padding, which makes the shoulders look a little bit nicer, and it makes the suit look a little bit more formal. It's got the notched lapel with a standard width, and it's a 2-button jacket, single-breasted. It has 4 buttons on each sleeve. Even though they look like surgical buttons, meaning functional buttons, they aren't. But they did do a good job making these look surgical. It's a very nice touch. And then the jacket's got the standard 3 pockets on the outside, 1 breast pocket and then 1 on each side. It's also got 3 inside pockets. You've got this zipper pocket right here. Then you got a little, ticket or a pen pocket. Then you've got another zipper pocket on this side. So because you can do so much in this suit, these zip up pockets are really going to help you keep your stuff safe, and it makes it that much harder for pickpockets to nab your stuff. This is the first xSuit that comes with double vents in the back. I think that's awesome because I prefer double vent suits. Just looks better in my opinion. And now for the trousers. The trousers secure with a 2-button and a zipper closure. They've got 5 pockets. This one here with a zip-up pocket to help you again with pickpockets and to help you just, avoid losing anything if you sit down. Plus the 2 standard side pockets and the 2 back pockets with button closures in the back. And then I wanted to mention it again. The pants come hemmed, so you don't need to get them and then wait 2 weeks to wear it after it arrives. I got it, I washed it, and then I put it on. And just look at this suit. I would say it's slightly less formal than their xSuit 3, but more formal than the previous xSuit 2. The shoulder pads, the double vent, they really do a lot to make the suit stand out. But here's what you don't see when you're just looking at the suit. What happens with a suit, especially on a long business trip? You end up bringing a few suits and then you have to wear them over and over. You end up dropping it off at a dry cleaner and hoping that they can get it back to you in a day or two, paying all that money. Well, this suit is liquid, odor, and stain repellent. You can wear it for more days without having to get it cleaned, and it's still gonna look and smell fresh. You still have to bathe, but the suit's gonna be fresh. You don't even need a special bag to travel with this. The anti-wrinkle technology works better than pretty much all other travel suits that I've tried out. You can legit pack this suit in your suitcase, take it with you. When you get to your hotel, just hang it up. It'll hardly have any wrinkles, and when you do hang it up, if there are any wrinkles, they're gonna come out in just a few hours of being hung up. I did a business trip a couple months ago. Luckily I drove, but I had to bring like 5 suits to last me 2 weeks. I mean, I didn't have to, I chose to. I was trying to impress the senior managers at my work. I had 5 garment bags. That was a pain in the rear to pack, get to the hotel, to hang up. Then, when I was done, get them back to my car, get them back home, and then hang them all up. These xSuits can get folded in your regular luggage. And if you do need to get it cleaned while you're on a long business trip, they're machine washable. No need to spend 20 bucks at a dry cleaner. And then here's one of my favorite parts. It's water resistant. Check this out. It's just like those Rain-X commercials. The water just rolls off the suit. The trousers too, look at that. All right, let's do that again in slow motion so that way you can really see how the water just rolls off the suit in some parts, and in others, it kind of just bounces right off. And my other favorite thing, especially for people who don't wear suits that often, and when they do, they feel constricted, look at this movement. You could literally do a split in these. I mean, as long as you could do a split before you put it on. It's not going to magically allow you to be more flexible, but the fabric is going to stretch more than any other suit that I've ever seen, and it'll let you do things that would normally rip a suit. So all in all, I love this suit. It makes traveling and dressing up that much easier. Now, is it my favorite xSuit? Well, you're going to have to wait about another 2 weeks for that one. In about 2 weeks, I'll put out another video showing the xSuit 2, 3, and 4, showing them side by sides, the similarities, the differences, and that way it should make it even easier for you to figure out which one is best for you with your needs and your preferences. And in the meantime, check out this video right here, and I'll see you there.